Good people, this your boy Red Venom 10 here, and today I'm going to be doing something different on the Red Venom 10 show, which is some house maintenance. I've never done a video like this before, so please bear with me. Y'all also can subscribe, share, and like, and comment to let me know how I did on this video, but also too, please make sure you subscribe to help me build up to have multiple subscribers so that when I can continue to produce more content. So today we're going to be focusing on, it's within a month or 3, you must change it within your air filter. You must change your air filter within your central air deposit. Because if you don't, what'll happen is that it'll create all types of problems, and then like mold will start building up and a whole bunch of stuff that'll start happening that you don't want to happen. So with that being said, you gotta go over here and cut off the air switch. So it looks like it's off to me. Yeah, auto. So it's off. That being said, we're gonna be going up here to take care of it. And also too, you wanna make sure that you get the right size. See, this is the size for this one that I'm working with right here. So, and there's a chest right here on there, change every 30 days. So, I'm about to change one that hasn't been changed in a while, so imagine that. Also, what you want to do is date the date that you did it so that way you can keep a track of it. So today is 4/20.
4.
Yeah,
no, 25. Yeah, 24, yes.
4/24.
2022.
Yeah. Okay. We got that written down. Let's go ahead and look at the sound.
If you have a study chair, a study ladder. If you don't, you will fall.
Straight up.
What else falls on there? I have no idea. Since this is an older house, we have to be cautious. And look, that looks disgusting. Ew.
Oh my gosh.
Time to change. Ew. See, that's what's important, to change it, guys. If you don't, hard to breathe. And you wonder why you're so hot. Say cool. Look at that. Ew.
Look at that.
That's disgusting. Drop it. See, new one.
Brand new one. You also gotta remember which way to put it up in there too.
If you don't, it won't work. It works, but don't work. Look carefully how you put it in. Put it in the wrong way, it won't work right. Closing it, and after that we dust it up on the outside. Because you know, dust go in your face, we start coughing and it won't be good. A lot of people got allergies, that's what people we're talking about. Like I said, this is an older house, so it's gonna be, the screws will be kind of wired different. So we have to be careful it doesn't fall. close it. Now you're screwing it back on. Last time we did the screw fell down. You have to keep going up and down, up and down. Learn the lesson the first time. You don't have to screw on so tight. Just enough that it's closed and doesn't fall. When people have kids, you don't want that to fall. It's 1 minute and 40 seconds, sweetie. Tiny done, it'll be 2 minutes.
Now that you've seen how I did that, that's how you do it. That's how you change it out. Subscribe, share, and like. Once again, thank you all for supporting our show. We love you. Cosmic blessings.